Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kiri Toffee with Milkmaid. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. This recipe combines the rich creaminess of Kiri cheese with the sweetness of condensed milk to create a delightful treat. We'll cover everything from mixing to setting, ensuring your toffee is smooth and delicious. Get ready to create a wonderful homemade confection that everyone will love. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of Kiri cheese, which provides that unique creamy texture. Also, have one 380-gram can of sweetened condensed milk ready. Don't forget 100 grams of unsalted butter, crucial for a smooth consistency, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Now let's cook. In a nonstick pan, melt the butter and Kiri cheese over low heat, stirring until completely smooth. Next, add the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract, mixing well. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring constantly for about 15 to 20 minutes. The goal is a thick, glossy consistency that easily pulls away from the sides of the pan. Once cooked, immediately pour the hot toffee into an 8-inch square pan lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or until firm. Once set, cut the toffee into small, bite-sized squares. Store your delightful Kiri toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy this creamy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.